What's up, everybody? It's Mama Mia. We are doing our first mukbang, and today we're having Captain D's. I have my son with me, Jay. We call him Jay. I have my oldest son with me, Dalen. We call him Dalen. So, are you going to tell the people what we're having? Or what you having? I have the giant fish sandwich and some fries. We ain't going to bless the food.
I already did.
Somebody pray.
So look, bless this food we're about to receive in Christ's name. Pray, amen.
Amen. Dalen, we can't see you. Anyway, so this coming school year, I have a senior, and he'll be graduating in 2019, and so he had his orientation this morning.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to tell us about that, Dalen?
Not really to it.
Did you find it exciting? Because I was
Yeah.
like, yeah. Like, I don't think...
What do you mean?
They said that the class of students was like 300 plus students. I didn't even see half of that today. I mean, I don't know if they knew that they had orientation or not. I don't know. But he got his schedule today. They didn't have the IDs ready, so guess they'll get their ID on the first day of school. I guess. So, Dalen, did you like your schedule?
Yeah. I mean, I'm supposed to have a half schedule. And if you don't know what a half schedule is, it's basically just having your classes on one day of the week. I mean, not one day of the week, but like one day. And then the next day you go to school, you won't be able to go to school basically. But I wasn't able to get that. I just got a whole bunch of classes.
Because they're not doing that. They say you're going to stay with us all day. So, needless to say, Dalen only needs 4 classes to graduate.
Yeah.
They have given him a whole full schedule. Whole full schedule, so.
Yeah.
Okay. So, nobody got tartar sauce? I need tartar sauce. So, Dana, what did you get from Captain D's?
What is called? We got the same thing.
Okay, listen, y'all.
Southern style fish tenders, yeah, that's what's called. It's off the $4.99 thing.
I tried this giant fish sandwich about how long ago? It had to have been about maybe a week and a half ago. It is the bomb. I thoroughly enjoy it, and like I've eaten it like 4 times since then. It's so good, and it really is big, and
show it to them when you get done with it.
You probably can't finish it all.
Okay.
Yeah. And no, I'm not gonna try. But this is a sandwich. It's big. And
Well,
it's
in
real
Florida,
good.
it is.
What you
It's
mean
like
in
medium
Florida?
size.
Depending on the state, like they might not be that big.
That is true.
It's called the giant fish sandwich. We also have Jemiah here, but she didn't want to be filmed. Jemiah has a lemon pepper whitefish.
It is delicious.
What she said is delicious.
The only reason I didn't want to do the video because
And there's some rice in it.
yeah,
I think I need to taste her rice.
it's not really flavored. The last one I had this, they gave me a lot of lemon pepper seasoning.
That was at a different one. That was at a different one. We went to a different one.
Huh?
That was at a different one. We went to a different
Yeah. I know. I'm gonna try some rice.
It must be good. Jay ain't saying a word. Is it good?
Yep.
Tell us about middle school.
What did
sir.
you have?
Same thing you had.
Which is it? They need to know.
I forgot the name of it.
Southern style fish tenders.
I'll say it tastes good.
So Jay, are you ready to go to middle school?
Nope.
Mm-hmm. So Jay is going to middle school, 6th grade.
The big six.
Maya's going to the 8th grade.
I'm very happy. Very happy.
I know we have a very busy school year coming up. But I'm so happy that everybody get out of school around the same time. Because last year and the year before that, it was 3 different schools. 3 different times they got out. And it was a killer, let me tell you something.
Wow. Since this is gonna be a video on your YouTube channel, let's talk about other things that you'll be posting on your YouTube channel.
What can I tell y'all? She's the person who makes our ideas for videos.
No, she don't.
You?
No, she don't.
I'm actually smart. Alright.
No, she don't.
Yes, you do.
The boys got green beans. I'm so proud
I
of
did
them.
too.
I ain't lying. But your mom don't want to be in the video, so
I love
I
vegetables.
don't know why
though.
she's still sitting across from us talking. Because she don't want to be in the video.
Exactly. You can't see that and then not me.
But yeah. I have
There's
a
some
lot.
ice in the refrigerator and freezer.
Yep.
We get
Mom.
on one of the sauces.
Excuse me, Mom. Do you have any other things that you can post on your YouTube channel?
So,
You are here, so.
Jay is about that wrong cup. Wrong cup. Why you got them cups? You got the little cups?
Oh. Hey, what cups it is?
Mm-hmm.
The little plastic ones.
Mm-hmm. So Jay's about done with his food. He's been over here killing it. I don't know why he think it's a race. I'm not gonna choke for any of y'all. Oh yeah. Mm-mm.
Do you want microwave?
What?
This?
Yeah.
But he ate his green beans. All
Put
of
one
them.
cup of ice. And he be the main one that they be complaining about vegetables. Wow.
So Jay, tell us about your YouTube channel with your cousin.
It's called Split Duo. If y'all want to check it out, check out her Split Duo. And it's not. And we do videos. We do gaming videos, and we do other videos like that.
like that.
Like what?
Like, she does. I do the gaming stuff. Like, I play the games and record it. And she does stuff outside. She does videos outside. Like burning skateboards. She did a video on that.
So basically,
Oh my God.
comedy and entertainment.
Burning skateboards. Please, children, don't. Do not burn skateboards at your parents' house. Oh, the fire marshal will be at your door.
Hey, these real good.
Well, they done got that Shasta on deck. I just have a Sprite.
I have orange juice. With ice in it.
Sonny need orange juice. Sonny need orange juice.
It's an orange drink.
So they lied.
They didn't lie. Read the bottle. Y'all don't read what y'all eat.
It didn't say orange juice, but I mean, you can drink it in the mornings and afternoons.
You can drink it whenever you like.
No.
You eating the ice and all.
I don't like tart sauce.
I do. I do.
Mayonnaise is better.
Yes, mayonnaise is my favorite condiment. I'm gonna roll you guys if you want to know.
Look at your hush puppies.
Jay is done. He did not eat the hush puppies.
They taste bad. Once it's half of that, still it tastes. It still tastes bad.
Try it out. Oh, my bad. Threw that on you?
Why would you do that, Dad?
Alright. I was tripping.
You for real, for real. So then tell us about your plans for your senior year. I'm so excited. I'm more excited than he is.
Not really. I mean, I'm gonna do me. I'm gonna go to school and knock it out.
So Dalen also has a YouTube channel. Maybe he'll post some videos for you guys to watch and he can, become a little more active with that. Why don't you tell him the name of your channel, Dalen?
I don't post nothing on it.
Exactly.
Well, actually, to confirm, to reassure you, we posted 2 videos a couple of years back.
Oh,
But
listen.
it was on her
Listen.
channel.
Y'all excuse my hair. It's real hot outside. We live in Florida. So
It's that heat.
I feel like we're on the second level of hell. So I had to take that hair off. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'll look pretty for you another day. But not today. We're actually in the middle of moving. And so it is what it is.
So tell me, Mom, who inspired you to do this?
Is this an interview?
No. We just want to know.
Well, I enjoy cooking and eating. And I was inspired by so many others out there who enjoy cooking and eating. And I decided to record myself. Like all the other people on YouTube.
What inspired me to give this idea was We Love Liz. Check out her channel. Great.
Jay, what do you like to do?
Dance.
Are you gonna do some
No. I'm not gonna dance.
yeah. Are you gonna do some dancing videos?
Probably. Probably not.
Maybe you can do a tutorial and show the people out there how to juke.
No.
What?
The joke.
I have an upcoming YouTube channel.
Juke.
I have an upcoming YouTube channel,
What is it called?
but I'm going to change the name.
Dan's almost done. He's on his last fish tender. I've never had a fish tender.
In fact, fish strips. But instead, we get more meat. And
And he eats it with honey mustard sauce.
I do too. Tastes good.
No.
Oh.
I'm working my way on this sandwich, y'all. I might eat the whole thing.
Honey mustard on fries too.
Mm-hmm.
Dalen, what's your favorite thing to do?
I don't know. Oh, I mean, I like to do a lot of things.
I don't. Jemiah is behind the camera
Trying to interview us.
trying to interview us.
Now, what are you talking about?
I don't understand. Why are we being interrogated? Oh, it is fish.
Mom, what's your favorite thing to do?
My favorite thing to do is cooking and eating.
I love a lot of things.
You know, sometimes when the food be good, you dance. Why do you do that?
Wait, what?
Dana, do you dance when you eat? When food be real, real, real good?
Sometimes. I don't dance anymore. I just say God bless you. I either do that to my grandfather, mom, dad, just about any person that's actually cooking.
And it looks like Dylan is doing his too.
Dana didn't eat his hush puppies neither.
Yeah, because we don't like those. It tastes nasty. It is bread in a ball.
So I'm gonna need 50 cents from you, and I'm gonna need 50 cents from you.
I'm
Thanks.
done. So I thought you don't got no money. Dylan, you got a job, sir. You got a job. So,
Mm-mm. You got paid.
yep.
The little dancer over here is whispering, am I gonna eat my fries?
Oh,
I thought
yesterday,
I was eating them.
when I got picked up from my grandmother's house, we were on our way to went to pick up Dylan from work. We had a Michael Jackson marathon jam.
Who picked up Damon from work?
We did.
Y'all right.
Who
Remember?
was
Remember we were on our way?
Send me some ketchup. Oh, last night.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, not yesterday. 'Cause
Oh,
yesterday.
Last night we had a
Mhm.
Michael Jackson marathon jam.
Oh, yeah, we were blasting Michael Jackson last night.
There be no way I'm by your side. I can't just give you, baby, you are the sweetest thing of my life.
Y'all hear him? Same day.
All I need to hold
Bam,
you.
bam, bam.
Within the heart will make your heart away.
Bam, bam,
I'm
bam.
done.
Yeah, I promise you, Jay, there's some live entertainment for you. He likes to dance. He's a really good dancer.
What do you think I like to do? I think I like to breathe.
Maybe one day I'll record him.
And that one it would be probably in a year, probably.
Probably way sooner.
And probably and right now I'm on. He's about to be done. She's about to be done right now.
I mean, I thought I was doing a good job killing it.
I did though. I did better.
Mm.
Yeah, you
Jay.
smashed that.
I'm hungry.
So what was your outlook on the Southern style tenders?
Good.
They
That's
taste,
hush puppies.
they taste better than chicken tenders?
No,
Oh, okay.
Chicken is
don't
always
compare it to that.
top priority. Oh.
Well, he got it. And he didn't have the kids' meal.
He's a grown little man.
And I just got this sandwich and I'm still working. Oh, I eat slow. So, we'll spend a
Slow
lot of
eater.
time together. I'm sorry.
And she
We're gonna give
finished.
you a nickname. The sloth eater.
And right
Because you
now,
eat slow.
when he's done, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe before the video ends.
And follow her on Facebook. That's an extra karma.
Do it again. Say it one more time.
What?
You just say it.
Oh, I'm saying this twice. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
And
And
share.
hit the bell notification button.
And follow her on Facebook.
So y'all can see Jay dance.
No.
I was thinking we should do skits.
I can't believe they left me.
You got me, you got me.
She don't want to be filmed.
I mean, like,
Girl, you're not supposed to leave. You're supposed to sit and talk to the people.
Can't you just wash your hands though?
Not yet.
Jay, tell them what idea me and you had for the challenge.
No.
Oh yeah, y'all. Jay wants to do that spicy noodle challenge.
Yeah, that could be everybody who does.
Right?
Same, but
But
Mom here,
I don't eat spicy foods like that. I can't.
she can't.
But I told him that we can do the challenge, but I'm going to have regular noodles. They're going to have spicy noodles.
But we gotta go to our nearest Asian market. Because it's like spicy Korean
If you
noodles.
want to find those
Oh,
spicy noodles, they at Walmart. Just to let y'all know that. It's in the black bag.
Black pack.
and also, you can shoot us your ideas and things for things that you want to see us do, like family challenges,
Or like, no.
Or they want to see skits.
and we'll see what we can do about those. Then
Or-
we're going to do the spicy noodle challenge.
We could do it with
Wait.
Jada if she ever comes over.
And I got a challenge. Subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below what you want us to do in 20 seconds.
Mm.
That's the challenge for y'all.
Mm. That's a challenge.
Wait up. And you know what? And subscribe to the like button one more whole time. If you want to see me dancing.
You can't click the button twice. You gonna dislike it. You gonna unlike it.
Just in case you forget to.
And you can't subscribe to button. You can't press subscribe. You can't press the subscribe button twice, bro.
Because you'll just subscribe.
Yeah.
You could just press subscribe button and hit the bell notification.
Well,
Bell notifications and then set it to all times or often.
So then you'll never miss a video that we make.
Nice.
so then what was your outlook on your fish tenders?
I mean, they're good. I get them every time. That's like the only thing I really get from them. And I always get the same size, fries and green beans.
I know, you should expand your palate. You know, try some coleslaw.
I don't like coleslaw.
Maybe some corn.
I eat corn.
I'll take the corn.
I eat
What else
corn.
I have? They have tossed salad.
Applesauce.
They say applesauce?
Yeah. No, they sell.
They got applesauce.
I don't want any.
Yeah, they do got applesauce. This lemon pepper fish is good,
They
but
have cheesecake too,
their steak.
which is good.
Seafood, please. Not steak.
Oh, sorry, like she said steak.
Not steak.
You know I got hearing problems.
I can tell.
Whatever.
Me too. Wait, and subscribe to my channel, Split Duo.
No.
Yes.
No. Don't.
Yes.
How you not gonna support your little brother?
I already said what Jade. It's called Split Dub.
Yep.
I thought it was on Jade's Split channel. Oh, then I'll subscribe.
You want to check my cousin Jada YouTube channel? It's gonna be
Jada B. Shout out to Jada B.
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 And right now we might end the video in a couple minutes. So
I told y'all I eat so.
she ain't even done her burger yet.
This is finna
It's
be
not burger,
30
it's
minutes.
fish sandwich.
That's good. That's good.
Fish burger.
That's good.
Well, we might do live streams. There might be a possibility if we could do live streams. I think we should do live streams.
Will our stream you cooking?
Mm-hmm.
They
Yeah.
eating that.
Or
Now, I will be doing some cooking tutorials for you all.
Oh, yes.
Because, like
Yes.
I said,
Oh, yes.
I enjoy cooking and I enjoy eating.
She's a
She
master
enjoys
chef.
cooking. Hey, y'all, let me tell you, when this woman enjoys cooking, let me tell you, she enjoys cooking. It's not just like, oh, she's just cooking it. But as she's cooking it, you can already tell that we are going to enjoy it.
So it's a person who didn't want to be filmed.
I'm saying, what?
But
I'm
you
just
doing
saying
the
that
most
you
talking.
good.
Yeah, she's
Talking.
doing the most. She is really doing the most.
talking the most.
She don't want to be in the video.
I have to do something.
You don't have to. Just stop this interview and then do something. Or be in the
I
video.
believe I'm going to make it.
Yeah, you might not. For the 30-minute mark, yeah, you might not make it.
I'm talking about finishing this sandwich. Like, I was hungry. I'm going to tell you I was hungry.
We didn't drink a drink.
I drank some.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
But yes,
And if this video gets
be on the
over,
lookout for those videos.
I got one thing to say. And if you get over 1,000 likes on this video, we'll do another one like this later on.
What you mean, like another Platinum D's video?
Yep,
Okay. Why is I recording these? You can put some other place.
we are.
Yes. Yes, Mom. Mom, yeah.
and they decided to break out in a band.
Alright, let's stop doing this. 'Cause I forgot we had to eat.
And now she's done with her burger.
So, I ate the whole entire sandwich.
30 minutes.
Took 30 minutes and 24 seconds.
Well, I eat slow. I'm sorry. I'm not going to die. For you. Oh, you. Oh, then. If you eat fast, you will choke. I value my life.
Oh, yo. We also came up with this challenge called the choke challenge. You have to get us
Excuse me. Oh, my God.
Mom.
Listen. We are going to do
The choke challenge.
the first challenge. Is going to be the choke challenge. So stay tuned for that. I think it's going to be hilarious.
Yeah, I might choke the most.
And I'm going to get my husband to do it as well. And we
I'm gonna be choking.
it's going to be called the choke challenge. And I won't tell y'all what it is. You just have to stay tuned and watch.
So give him a hint.
No. The only hint is
It's no the colors. The colors are purple.
no.
Choke challenge.
No. It's the choke challenge. And it's coming soon.
Choke challenge.
To a YouTube near you.
And I think I promise you, it's gonna be so funny.
Wait.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna sit around the table. Choke.
No, we're not gonna sit around the table and choke each other.
Oh my god.
You're gonna be like.
They let you grow.
Okay, and that's Mike does it for the video today. So I'm saying this one last time.
Boy, no. Shut up.
Just subscribe,
Oh
comment, and like.
no.
And that's it.